Today I'll be sharing with you a simple and delicious recipe for lemon curd cookies using only 4 ingredients: flour, butter, condensed milk and of course lemon curd. We start with flour and butter in a mixing bowl. Rub the butter into the flour until it resembles a wet sand-like texture. The key here is to use cold butter. The method used here is known as reverse creaming. So once done, add condensed milk and combine to form a dough without kneading the dough. If you find that the dough is way too sticky and difficult to handle, go ahead and add another tablespoon of flour and combine it to a dough. And once done, scoop out a tablespoon of dough at a time and roll it into balls onto your lined baking sheet. Using your thumb or the back of a spoon, make an indentation in the center of each cookie. Fill each indentation with approximately a teaspoon of lemon curd. I have a Lemon Curd 101 ultimate guide on making them at home. Eggless version is also included in that video, so I'll link that in the description box just in case. I'm filling 4 and leaving 4 that I will fill once baked to show you guys the difference, so do stay along. Then bake in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The cookies should still be pale in color once baked, but when you lift it up and see the bottom, it should be well baked with a golden brown color like this. While the cookies are still warm, press it down to create the cavity and fill it with lemon curd as well. Now let me show you guys the difference. Cookies that were filled before baking was so set that you can literally stack them together, and as clearly seen, the one filled after baking were sticky and hence cannot be stacked. So if you plan on selling or packing them, then definitely fill the cookies before baking, but if you plan to make it for yourself and your family, then you can choose to fill them afterwards as well, as I love that dripping and licking the cookies while eating. Now, wasn't that the simplest cookie recipe ever? Perfect for sudden cravings, hai na? Anyways, that's it for this one. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.